Okay. From Tick Performance. Oh, snap. There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. The new cam. Stage 3 turbo cam. A little bit of Carnage. Everything that comes with it. What we got here? We got the valve springs. Shall we look inside? Ah. Ooh. A little fun here. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Titanium. All the good stuff. Bad boys. That's some beauty to them. Yeah, buddy. Push rods we're waiting on because we got to measure for them. I'm imagining one of these is for the measuring. What's this one? Oh, this might be the new. This is the new oil pump. We got a high pressure, high volume pump to go with the kit. Yep. Now we're just waiting for the billet intercooler that goes in between the Holley intake. Imagine that's coming next. It's time to get started though. We got the cam, been waiting for this so we can get started. Stay tuned. New episode coming. V2, Rise of UC Carnage.